Hi! Welcome to my class. Our topic for today is to solve surface area of triangular prism. But before we proceed to our main lesson, I would like to share with you one major thing about Emirati culture. Do you know that Emirati are extremely friendly and welcoming people? If you are going to visit you in their homes, they are going to give you a warm welcome and serve you with a hot coffee and dates. Do you know what? I don't like coffee. But when I found out that the coffee have a lot of health benefits to our body, wow, I am taking it now. Do you know that coffee can improve energy levels and can make you smarter? It also helps to burn your fats and can drastically improve physical performance. It contains a lot of essential nutrients like riboflavin, vitamin B5, manganese and potassium, magnesium and niacin. It also lowers down the risk of two types of diabetes. It also protects us from Alzheimer's disease and dementia. It lowers down the risk of Parkinson's and protect our liver. And it can also fight depression. Dates have a lot of health benefits also. It helps us to reduce night blindness. It is good for our digestion. It prevents abdominal cancer, boosts our energy for those who are anemic. It also boosts the nervous system. It gives present minerals to strengthen our bones. It also reduces allergic reaction. And it is also good for weight management. And dates are also good for the heart and the brain. The combination of coffee and dates, which the Emirati people are giving us and serving us when we are visiting their houses, have a lot of health benefits that I do not know. That is why I am sharing this to you. Now let us move to our main lesson. The objective of our lesson is to find the surface area of a triangular prism. The surface area SA of a triangular prism is the sum of the areas of the two triangular bases and the three rectangular faces. You can see that I color the triangle red. These are the bases that the area is 1/2 BH. And I mark the three rectangular faces as green and white. So, the area of the rectangle is length times width or base times height only. Let us find the surface area of the triangular prism. The length is 21 cm, the height of the triangle is 12 cm, and the base of the triangle is 10 cm. Now, we are going to solve first for the triangular bases. The area of a triangular base is 1/2 BH. Substituting the values in the formula, 1/2 times 10 times 12, we can right away cancel out the two numbers with the same factors. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Therefore, the area of a triangle is 5 times 12, which will give us 60 centimeters square. But we have the front side and the back side as a triangle, which are the two bases. So, we're going to add 60 plus 60 is equal to 120 centimeters square. That is the area of the triangular bases, the two triangles. Now, let us solve for the area of the rectangles. We have three rectangles here, two on the side and one at the bottom. The length is 21 and the width is 10 cm. Substituting the values on the given equation, therefore, area is equal to 21 times 10, which will give us 210 centimeters square. But we have three rectangles here, which is the same size. So, 210 plus 210 plus 210 is equal to 630 centimeters square. To get the surface area of the triangular prism, we are going to add the 2 areas of the triangle and the 3 areas of the rectangle. So, SA is equal to 120 plus 630. And it will give us 750 centimeters square. That is the surface area of the triangular prism. Let us work on this problem. Find the surface area of the triangular prism. The height of the triangle is 8 and the base is 14, while the rectangle has a width of 9 and a length of 18. But at the back side of the rectangle, the height is 8 and the width is 9. And the bottom part, the width is 9 and the length is 14. You need to figure out what are the different measurements of the sides of the triangular prism to solve the correct surface area. Let us solve first for the base. The area of the base is 1/2 base times height. Substituting the values in the given equation, therefore, 1/2 times 14 times 8. There are two numbers that have the same factor, the 2 and the 14. So, 2 in 2 is 1 and 2 in 14 is 7. We can simply multiply 7 by 8 and we can get 56. Therefore, the area of the triangle is 56 meters square. But in a triangular prism, we have two triangles, one in front and one at the back in this figure. Therefore, to get the total area of the triangle, 56 plus 56, it will give us 112 meters square. Now, let us solve the area of the rectangle one by one. The formula is length times width or base times height. To solve for the area of the green rectangle that is shown, we can simply multiply 18 by 9. It will give us 162 meters square. That is the area of the green rectangle. Now, let us solve the area of the rectangle at the back. The height is 8 and the width is 9. So, we can simply multiply 8 by 9. It will give us 72 meters square. That is the area of the rectangle at the back. Now, let us solve the rectangle at the bottom. The length is 14 and the width is 9. So, we can simply multiply 14 by 9. And it will give us 126 meters square. That is the area of the rectangle at the bottom. To solve for the surface area of the triangular prism, we are going to add the areas of the two triangles and the three rectangles. It will give us 112 plus 162 plus 72 plus 126. And the surface area of the triangular prism here is 472 meters square. To sum it up, always remember, the surface area of a triangular prism is the sum or the total of the areas of the two triangular bases and the three rectangular faces. Remember, the area of a rectangle is length times width or base times height. And the area of the triangle is 1/2 BH. I am always telling you that I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. So whenever there are some confusion on some part of the lesson, please go back, revise it again, and I know you will get it. Math will always be easy for those who are studying. Till next lesson, bye-bye!